Why do 100% of slow motion fanatics obsess over frame rates? Because more FPS wants more drama, detail, and discovery. Want cinema-grade slow motion or lab-grade data? The camera you choose decides. Stick around. I'll break down the pick for your need in 60 seconds. High-speed cameras are specialized systems built to capture events far faster than regular 2460 FPS. Frame rates span from 120 FPS for smooth vlogs to over 1,000,000 FPS for extreme science. Pro and industrial models, Sonicam Pro and industrial models, hHigh-speed Pro and industrial models, Chronos. They use global shutters for distortion-free capture. They use massive data links like 10 gig E. They can hit tens of thousands to millions of FPS for ballistics, for fluid dynamics, for manufacturing diagnostics. Cinema-oriented models, FreeFly cinema-oriented models, Red cinema-oriented models, Pix Boom. They balance high FPS with dynamic range and color for dramatic slow motion. Consumer and hybrid mirrorless cameras, action cams as portable high-speed options. They give 120, 240 plus FPS for sports and weddings. Big tip, high frame rates need intense light, plan for powerful LEDs or strobes. Lab precision cinematic flare. Portable slow-mo, pick the camera that matches your speed, resolution, and budget.